What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So ever since the most magical theme park in the world closed for the pandemic, a lot of people have been craving one of their favorite sort of desserts. It's called a Dole Whip. So we're going to recreate the Dole Whip because they released the recipe as soon as the pandemic started. So we're going to make a Dole Whip in the Vitamix. So join me. It's Wednesday, and let's make the greatest drink on earth. So many people ask me to make a Dole Whip, and you can make a non-dairy version. I believe the one at this theme park is non-dairy, but what they released has dairy in it. So I don't know if it's the exact recipe that they make in the park, but it's pretty close apparently. So we're going to try it out. So we have our Vitamix here, and I have my appropriate ears, right? So we have 4 ounces of pineapple juice. We have 2 cups of frozen pineapples. And this was fresh pineapple. We got this at Restaurant Depot. And Eric chopped it up and froze it. And it's very frozen. And they call for a big, huge scoop of vanilla ice cream. My scoop wasn't that big, so I have maybe 2 scoops with my smaller size ice cream scoop, because I don't think my ice cream scoop is on the scale of their ice cream scoop. So I just put 2. And we're ready to roll. Little tamper action. Okay, so this is how it looks. Looks pretty creamy. So I have a piping bag here fitted with the star tip, and we're just going to add because this theme park puts it into your cup using like a milkshake or a soft serve ice cream machine. So we're going to mimic that by using a piping tip. Okay, so we're going to pipe it. You might have to freeze it a little bit because it might be a little liquidy. Yeah. Doesn't quite look like the machine. Ah! Okay, so Eric just tried to fix it by dumping a bunch of pineapple in there.
Frozen pineapple.
And put it in the freezer.
And I babied the Vitamix with no liquid.
So, it's better. It's still sloppy. And it's stuck.
Okay, time out. Hey, baby, I'll help you. I'm here to rescue you.
Okay, rescue me, because this is a fail.
Well, it got frozen in there. Or it's a chunk, one of 2. Okay, go ahead, baby.
This isn't a magical drink.
Yeah, it's magical. Some people got it to turn out, because I think it's a lie. You're almost there, baby.
It ain't coming out.
You're almost to the finish line.
Let's free it from the tip. Ah.
Reload! There's a little more liquid because it's been in the fridge, not the freezer. Don't squeeze too hard. It's going to come out. All right. There we go.
Ah! So this recipe did not work at all. You can buy Dole Whip mix because what they use in that theme park is a mix. They don't use fresh pineapple and fresh ice cream. Even though that's what they released as a recipe, that's not what's served at the park. So you can order Dole Whip mix and use it in like an ice cream machine, and I think it would work better because this is just absolutely too liquidy. Okay, come over and take a taste, Eric. Okay, try it out, Bill. We put it in the freezer.
There are so many things wrong with this recipe, to say the least. If you're just going to eat it, good luck. If you're going to try to make a video and take photos and film it, really good luck. So yeah, this is basically frozen pineapple. So it tastes great. It is using the fresh pineapples from about maybe 10 days ago that we froze.
It's nothing like what it probably is in the park. Because the park doesn't use fresh stuff.
The park uses soft serve that's artificially flavored. It's going to taste different. But this is still a wonderful treat, you know? I just say to...
You can't pipe it and make it look cute like you can in the park. You can put them in an ice cream machine, and so you might get a better consistency. After you blend it, throw it into an ice cream machine and do it like that.
Ice cream machine. At best, with a Vitamix, and I'm sure with maybe any other blender, is you can make sorbet if you put enough frozen stuff with minimal liquid. But that still doesn't pipe very well, and it doesn't hold up at room temperature very long. You have to chill everything. You have to chill the jar. You got to chill the glass, everything you touch. Otherwise, it starts melting.
So Eric is ready to enjoy his treat, and for a Wednesday, right? So cooks, if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey to become better cooks, hit that subscribe button and the like on this video and the bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. Also, our social media links are down in the description. And I hope you have a great Wednesday. This was sort of fun experiment, and I think Eric likes the way it tastes, but it just didn't look as fancy as it does on the pictures. So Dole Whip, that recipe is a fail.